Hello, hello, hello. My name is George. I own and operate Coatings by the Bay based in Appleton, Wisconsin. I just wrapped up this 2027 Kia Telluride. All we did today on this one was a paint correction. So we added a step of compounding before the polish, an application of a 5-year coating to the paint only. While the full exterior package is the biggest seller to get the rims, glass, trim, plastics, badges, it's not a requirement. With the paint correction, even on this large size vehicle and a 5-year coating, gentleman's walking out for under $1,500. I think he's going to be really, really happy when he shows up here in a little bit. It's going to be high gloss, easy to clean, and chemical resistant for at least 5 years to come. And really, that's all you want with black. It's just easy to clean up. So if you recently bought a new SUV, a new Kia Telluride, or a new vehicle in general, I would love to talk. You can text me at 920-659-0023 or visit coatingsbythebay.com. If you have any questions, again, you can text me at 920-659-0023. My name is George. I am the owner. I'm also the guy that will be putting the coating on your car, so the quality is guaranteed. And again, you can also go to coatingsbythebay.com. They answered over 400 FAQs there. Price is plainly posted on the website. We have a ceramic coating calculator that requires no personal information. So check it out. I hope to talk soon. Have a good one.